When, oh, when will mortgage rates rise? I'll stop singing now. All right, thank
Oh,
you for being part
boy.
of the National Real Estate Cafe with Don Gadley and Gino Fronti. Having a little fun here because we've been telling you that rates are going to rise, and guess what?
They're going up. They're going up, and they're going up steadily. Now, they won't always go up. They're going to go up. They're going to go down. They're going to go up. They're going to go down. But guess what? We never saw 3.5 again. We never saw 3.25 again. So even this time that it took a dip, we saw 3.75.
There we are. So we've been warning you rates were going to go up. We were hitting heavy, heavy resistance, meaning they weren't going to get much better. We told you that, told you that, told you that. When we were down to 3.75 on a 30-year fix approximately, it has now gone up into the lower fours. So we've gone about 3/8.5%. We told you it was going to. So why don't we share with them some other big numbers?
One second. Don't leave that screen for 1 second because you're going to say, hey, those are lower rates than my mortgage guy quoted me. What you need to know is this is the Freddie Mac national average, which is what a lot of people look at, and it usually includes somewhere between 0.5 point and 1 point in costs, which is not a customary expense here in California.
That's right. So be careful. You got to make sure you talk to the right person. All right. So here's another chart basically showing what Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, MBA, National Association of Realtors, what they think rates are going to be. They all think they're going up.
You know what's interesting there is I think that I originally thought that those were a little high, and now looking at them based on what's happening globally, I think they might be a little bit low. I think the economies across the world are getting better. You're only hearing bad news out of Greece. I haven't heard a bad thing out of Italy. I haven't heard a bad thing out of Spain. I haven't heard a bad thing out of Portugal. So that means all those economies that were in trouble are recovering. So if everybody's recovering, people are going to look for investment yield. And if you can get investment yield in the private sector, the public sector is going to have to catch up.
All right, Mr. Optimism. I'll believe it when I see it because it keeps rearing its head right back at us. Every time we think we're getting out of hot water, something happens abroad, and we're all global economy, like Gino has said. So watch out. But bottom line is rates have gone up. Rates probably will continue to go up. Prices are going to go up. So we're just letting you know is keep your purchasing power as strong as possible and take action now. Do not get priced out of your own market.
And most importantly, don't believe the head fake. I know it's counterintuitive, but the last 4 times that rates have risen, so do home prices. So don't think that because there's price pressure in the rates that it's going to lower prices on homes. It has never happened before.
You heard it right here in the National Real Estate Cafe with Don Gadley and Gino Fronti, where you can get your daily dose of real estate mortgage updates, real estate mortgage, everything on update. And you can find out more by getting these reports on a regular basis by typing NREC, texting NREC to 58885, 58885, and we'll say hello daily.